MyPi Educational Services.
Hello, learners. Welcome again to another episode of our learning. I am Mr. Salam, your mathematics tutor. Today we're going to look at another topic on fraction. And the topic we'll be looking at is called Bodmas on fraction. Bodmas on fraction. So this will be part 1. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to simplify fractions that involve mixed operations. So when you have a group of fractions, except those with signs of addition and subtraction together, and also multiplication and division together. So when you have this set of fractions, so there is a need for the fractions to be operated under an order of importance. That is how they are important. And this has been put together to called Bodmas. The Bodmas usually stands for bracket. The BDS stands for bracket. Then the O, which stands for operation. So in most cases, operation. The operation will be exponential power, it will be half, and so on like that. So then you have D for division. Then you have M for multiplication. So division and multiplication are usually put together. Multiplication. So they are usually put together. Then you have addition, A for addition. Then S for subtraction. Addition and subtraction are usually put together. So when you have questions that involve many operations, how do you work it out? So let's take a look at 1 or 2 examples. Example 1. So a question here says simplify 1 whole number 1 out of 2 plus 2 whole number 1 out of 3 times 3 out of 4 minus 1 out of 2. So let's work this out together. Solution. Now, working this out, you need to solve the multiplication first. So let's quickly change everything to mixed number. So here will be 3 out of 2 plus 2 times 3 is 4 by 6 plus 1. That will be 7 out of 3 times 3 out of 4 minus 1 out of 2. According to the rule of Bodmas, so we need to multiply first. So in multiplying this, we have 3 can go here 1, 3 can go here 1. And this will give us 3 out of 2 plus 7 times 1, that will be 7 out of 1 times 4 will be 4 minus half. Then let's find the LCM of this. The LCM of 2, 4, and 2 will be 4. So 4 divided by 2 will give us 1, then 1 times, 4 divided by 2 will give us 2, then 2 times 3. 4 divided by 4 will give you 1, then 1 times 7. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, then we'll have 2 times 1. So 2 times 3 will give you 6, plus 1 times 7, that will give you 7, minus 2 times 1, that will give you 2. So finally we have 6 plus 7, that will be 13. 13 minus 2 will give you 11 out of 4. And our final answer will be 2 whole number 3 out of 4. So that is our answer. In our next class, we're going to look at 2 more examples. Thank you very much for your time. Please do have a nice time to yourself. Bye.